It came. So I just took it out of the shipping box because I didn't want my address to get leaked. But anyways, here is the MacBook Air M2 in Starlight. I ordered the let's see here. I ordered the 8-core GPU with the 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of SSD. If you can kind of see there, if you can't, oh well. We're gonna unbox this today. I'm kind of at an awkward camera angle here, so I'm just gonna try my best and hopefully it works out. Let's see, can you guys see? No, you can't. Alright, we're gonna do this. So I'm going to study computer science in my university, which I'm going to be starting in the fall, so that is why I bought this. The reason why I didn't get the 14-inch Pro was because I wanted to keep my kidneys, and the reason why I didn't get the M1 with 16 gigs of RAM was because I wanted it new and I wanted to treat myself. So I guess we're going to open this now. Oh boy. I've been so excited. I couldn't believe I waited this long to open it on camera. Wow. It's real. Well, this is exciting. I'll throw that to the side here. Wow. This is it. I'm going to just put this underneath and go through the box. So this is the braided MagSafe cable that everyone talks about. I got the Starlight so it matches the Starlight. It almost looks white in my lighting right now because I got two harsh white lights going on. And then I actually got the 35-watt charger too, the dual 35-watt charger, because I'm currently switching between my, I'm sharing the 25-watt between my phone and my iPad. And so I wanted to quit doing that. And it looks actually really nice. It's got the little grips on the side there, and the two USBs obviously, and then there's the easy click, whatever you want to call those teeth. And then in here, obviously the documentation that everyone expects to come with it. I got the Starlight stickers, and I don't really want to go open that and flip through it because I want to get straight into the computer. So I'm going to push this all off to the side. Actually, I'm going to plug it in, and then I'll put it off to the side. I'll get this all set up for that. And now for one of the, if not the most satisfying and looking forward to parts of opening any Apple product, is peeling off this paper. So we'll flip it like this. Oops. It looks nice. So it's designed by Apple in California, and the model number and the serial number on the bottom right there, if you care or not. Let's slide this guy out, and as you can see, oh, there's a fingerprint. I was gonna say, as you can see, oh boy, there are every fingerprints. Oh, they kind of go away though. There it is right here. So I'm just gonna plug it in now, and we will open her up. Ooh, crispy. I don't exactly have what one might call a wide camera lens, so hopefully this works. Oh, I missed it. Ooh, that sounded cool. Let's peel this paper off. I don't want to touch the screen. Why am I struggling? Oh, there we go. Alright, I'm going to back this up and adjust. There, that looks better. So we'll let it boot in here. Right off the bat, I can tell the screen looks really nice. I guess I'll just wait. That looks cool. Alright, so hopefully I don't bump the camera while I'm doing this, but we'll just open this. English. Is there an English Canada? No, there's a French Canada. Alright. Let's let this go. Here we go. Select the country or region. There's Canada. I don't think I have any accessibility stuff. Let's go auto. We are going to connect to our Wi-Fi now. Well, I hope that was in focus. I just realized I might not have been in focus there, so we'll continue that out. If so, that sucks. I've never had a... I could migrate from my old Windows machine, but I don't really want to, I don't think. Do I need to click back? Did I click something wrong? Oh, I don't want to transfer stuff. I'm a troglodyte. Not now. Alright, sign into the Apple ID. So hopefully I'm not blasting the sound with it, because my camera, I don't have a microphone on it. And I'm just literally talking right on top of the microphone as I am typing this, because the way I have it set up right now. Terms and conditions, totally need to read that. And we already had an error, but that's fine. We're vibing. But yeah, I was looking into other laptops for university. I kind of wanted a Mac because I wanted to use Xcode and learn into mobile app development, which is why I wanted the Mac over the Windows. And yeah, the reason, like I said earlier, I didn't want to spend the amount of money for the MacBook Pro 14, just the base one is what I would have gotten. I was looking at it, I almost bought it, but I didn't because I didn't want to spend $2,800 on it. And I almost also bought an M1, which I could have definitely gotten away with, but like I had waited for almost 2 years, I guess, a year and a half since the M1 came out. Not even since the M1 came out. I've waited since last summer to just, I'll wait for the M2 to come out. It'll come out by the time I'm in university and I'll buy that. And so I could have gotten the M1, but I was just like, no thanks. I waited this long for the M2, I might as well get it. So that's what I did. And now it's asking me about Find My. I'll just click continue. Make this your new Mac. I'll just turn everything on because sounds good. Oh, we got this sexy Mac OS Monterey dark theme going on. What's this? File vault secures blah blah blah. Locking your screen with a password. Sure. I'll have my iCloud. I don't know what that means, but yeah, we'll do it. Oh, here's the Touch ID. Wait, I want to restart this. I messed up. There we go. Touch ID is ready. I always feel like I messed that up because I didn't get enough of my finger, but Apple Pay I'll set up too, I guess, if it will let me. So I ordered this thing July 18th. I had just gotten back from a trip, and I forgot my Apple gift card when I wanted to order it, but I forgot it on the trip, which sucked because that's when they released it. And I got back, ordered it right away. And it came today, which is Tuesday, July 26th, the time I'm recording this. Came this afternoon. It shipped all the way from like Shanghai to South Korea to to Alaska, and then all the way down to Houston. And it came back up to Canada, so that's nice. Oh, this card's added. We'll just wait out here. Surely it's got to be done soon. A lot of stuff. There we go.
That was easy.
Tap my Staples button there that I spent $7 on. Not the greatest purchase, but that's alright. Calendar would like to use your location, your current location, blah blah blah. Oh yeah, I will. At the end of the day, you can let people accept and track you. I don't really care, I got nothing to hide. Let's check the battery on this. I might unplug it. Let's trap this cable. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's already got 93%, so it's vibing right now. But yeah, this is everything. Wow. This is nice. So I guess this is it for the unboxing part of it. I don't know if I'll add anything else to this. At least this part at this point in time. I definitely will make a continuation video of the like maybe a 1 month update. Although I probably won't use it much in that 1 month because I hadn't started school yet. But I definitely will be having videos about it in the future. So if you want to stay tuned for that, you can subscribe if you want to. If you don't, whatever, you might just be wanting to see the unboxing. The specs I did get, like I said, is the 16 gigs of RAM with the 512 gigabytes of storage. And yeah, so that is it for the unboxing. Also like the video if you want to. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll respond to all of them. And if you want to check out my last video that I uploaded 8 months ago, I'll put it at the end here in the end screen. And yeah, it feels like I shouldn't be ending it already, but I am, so bye.